They're asking the court to do something against the person who they're filing a case against, which that would be you, the respondent. You'll get put on child support today. Now you can't be today. You just showed up. And bring documents next time you get served. You have any other questions?
I'm free to go.
You are free to go. You are dismissed.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Mr. Altry?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on? Well, you didn't bring this case before the court. She didn't show up. You were served to be here, looks like.
Well, she knew what she had to do.
It looked like she wanted you to pay child support.
Things happen.
And you showed up today. I mean, typically the person who files it is the one that shows up to court. I appreciate you being here.
The courtroom was filled with an air of expectation, as if everyone was bracing for fireworks, yet the woman who had filed the case was nowhere to be found, leaving the room in an uneasy silence. Mr. Autry stood in the center, confused, accused, and completely alone, his eyes darting toward the door. As if hoping she would walk in at any moment, the question echoed in everyone's mind, why had she vanished after demanding child support? The judge appeared puzzled, the atmosphere tense and heavy, as though something was missing or deliberately concealed. What could she possibly be hiding? And why would she insist on dragging him to court only to refuse to show up herself? A mystery was only beginning, and the sense of anticipation lingered thick in the room.
Who files it is the one that shows up to court. I appreciate you being here.
Okay.
Without her actually being here to say what her relief is, I can't grant it.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Pretty much.
You understand what I'm saying, right?
Not really.
In other words, the person who files the case, they're the petitioner. They're asking the court to do something against the person who they're filing a case against, which that would be you, the respondent.
Tension rises in the courtroom as the judge explains a critical rule, that without the woman present, no judgment can be made. Mr. Autry listens, but does not fully understand what is happening, and confusion spreads to the room. The law is clear: the accuser must appear in person. So the question becomes why she did not. Was this a deliberate setup, or something far more sinister? One thing is certain: justice cannot be served when the key figure refuses to step forward. Yet, just as the silence settles over the court, what happens next promises to shift everything.
They're asking the court to do something against the person who they're filing a case against, which that would be you, the respondent.
Okay.
In order for the judge to grant any type of request that the petitioner may have made, they would have to be here to present their case. And it doesn't look like you filed anything today. You just showed up.
Shock ripples through the courtroom as the judge confirms that Mr. Autry had not filed anything yet. He still appeared ready to face whatever came. Meanwhile, the woman who had demanded action remained silent and absent, leaving behind no evidence, no testimony, and only a growing mystery in her wake. Questions hang heavy in the air. What was her true motive? Was this simply a mistake or a calculated move to ensnare him? Later, the truth seems buried beneath missing paperwork and unanswered questions, and it is clear that the situation is about to grow even deeper.
Today, you just showed up.
Right.
So, I mean, unfortunately, I can't move forward with whatever she was. It looked like she was wanting to put you on child support, so it doesn't look like you'll get put on child support today. Now you can't be served at a later date and come back and be placed on child support, but for whatever reason, she didn't want to put you on child support today.
Just got to make sure I got a job, huh?
And bring documents next time you get.
In a surprising turn, the judge rules that there will be no child support for Mr. Autry, at least not today. But the warning is firm: she can refile. He can be served again, and next time everything could change. Mr. Autry understands that he will need steady work and his financial records in order if he hopes to withstand what lies ahead. The question lingers: is this merely a pause in the storm, or the calm before everything collapses? His next move could determine whether he holds on or loses it all.
And bring documents next time you get served.
And what documents are those?
Like financial documents.
Okay.
Because
check stubs?
Check stubs, your W-2, if you have 1099s, anything like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay?
All right.
You have any other questions?
I'm free to go?
You are free to go. You are dismissed.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
You have a good day, Judge.
Oh, you too?
Mr. Autry is dismissed and walks out without judgment, but certainly not without warning, as the judge reminds him that next time he must bring his pay stubs as W-2S or his 1,099s. This hearing was only a preview, and if she returns, the real battle will begin. For now, he leaves the courtroom free. But tomorrow could bring a tidal wave of legal consequences. The stakes are rising, and the next round